All right, here we are.
Alright guys, so we are actually, I don't know if you guys can hear me good, we are going to play with the drone out in this big puddle and see if we can get some cool shots with the drone, with the rock lights and all that stuff on. So I will see you guys up there. I hope you guys like the drone footage I get. I'm trying to learn the drone again, I haven't used it in so long. Alright guys, so I am back from getting drone footage. I hope you guys like that. It's probably a little too dark. So the lighting would be a little bit better, but oh well. I'm back at the house, and now what we're gonna do, and it's been a while. We hit 20K and I told you I'd do custom headlight giveaway, and now is the time. So these are already made. They're right here in the box. I just got them. They're from Retro Diodes. I'm also going to be doing another giveaway in this video. So if you don't have a cat eye Chevy, I'm going to be giving these away too. I'll show you guys everything. But let's go ahead. I kind of got something that I think everyone would like. Let's go ahead and open them. All right, here we are. Let's throw all this out. Oh yeah. All right guys, check it out. Check it out. We got fully smoked. They're smoked out. They got your liner around it, the RGB liner around it. Here's your little controller here. And let's see how, I want to see how this all connects. There's your splitter for the two lights. Here they are guys. You got the full RGB control right here. Here's the headlights. Brand new, just got built. And of course they got the smoked bumper lights as well. They are over here. They're in this box right here. If you guys want to send me anything, my P.O. box is in the description of every video. So I want to do like a mail time type thing and open your guys' stuff on camera and give you guys shout outs and stuff. Just know that you can send stuff to my P.O. box and I'll open it all on camera and do whatever. If you guys have a business or whatever, or YouTube channel, Instagram, whatever, I'll shout you out here on the channel. Just know that I got the P.O. box down below. So how we're gonna do this giveaway, you have to have a cat eye obviously to enter this. I'm gonna be doing a follow-up giveaway in this kind of at the same time. That way I'm not missing everyone. You know, I don't want to leave subscribers in the dark. And these are from Mictuning. So I want to say thank you to Retro Diodes and Mictuning for basically sponsoring these giveaways. They basically donated this. I'm going to show you guys here in a second. Open this and show you that's the other part of the giveaway. So, all right, so here's what we're going to be giving away. It's actually two sets. I'm not going to give them both away to one person. So there's three things I'm giving away. I'm giving away these custom headlights with the smoke bumper lights right there. I'm giving away these Mictuning little pods. Here, let me take one out. They're actually pretty cool. Basically, these ones are floods. Do whatever you want with them. So I'm giving away both sets of those. Comment below you want to be entered for those, and then also comment below if you want to be entered for the headlights. Obviously, if you don't have a cat eye, you can't enter because it makes no sense to do that. It'd just kind of be a waste, unless you want to buy a cat eye for the headlights, of course. But JW Montoya's about to hit 20K. I think he's like 500 something away, something like that, maybe. Whatever he's at. I'll probably end up ending the giveaway when he hits 20K. I think he is gonna run his for a little bit as well. If you guys have a Sierra, make sure you go subscribe to JW because he's giving them away as well. He's giving away custom headlights for the Sierra. Of course, I'm giving headlights away for the Silverado. So I'm pretty excited about this giveaway. These are gonna also go with the giveaway. These are harnesses, very nice Mictuning harnesses. I love them. I use them for basically everything on my truck that I can use them with. You know, I even use it on the Maverick and all that. So those will go with. But all right, guys. So I'm gonna put the way to enter in the description so no one misses out. But I'm gonna go ahead and go over it right now, just so no one does miss out. So to enter for the headlights, let me know in the comments that you have a cat eye. That way you're entered. And then you gotta make sure you're following me on Instagram, and subscribe to the channel, and also following Retro Diodes on Instagram. And then to enter for the Mictuning LED pods, basically do the same thing. Let me know you want to be entered for these. Follow me on Instagram, follow Mictuning on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, and that will get you entered for these. So make sure you like the video too, guys. Come on now. That is all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm excited to give all this stuff away. I'm gonna continue to do this kind of stuff. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, you just watch all my videos and don't subscribe, you need to subscribe. And you need to subscribe to get entered in this giveaway anyway. So, but yeah, guys, we will see you next time.